with the back feet.
Uh-oh. We have help with the bed sheet.
She has her back feet.
Helper, helper, meow, meow, meow. Oh my gosh.
Look at this is her back feet.
Yep, making the bed is quite a chore, isn't it?
It's quite a challenge. Gotta get these lumps out and I can't figure out.
Yeah, we seem to have this lump under here.
She gets all 4 feet up.
Maybe I can help. Meow, 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 meow. Oh. Nope, that doesn't seem to help.
It just tickles me. She gets all 4 feet in the air.
Yep.
See? Back feet.
That kind of makes it hard to make the bed, doesn't it?
It makes it impossible to make the bed.
Yep.
Don't know how to
Well,
deal.
pull that back, and maybe we need to reveal the. Oh, that's what's going on. You can't make a bed with this thing under it, right, Mal?
Come on, move it.
Oh, now we're gonna help with the comforter. Oh,
We're
nope.
gonna help straight.
We don't want to do that. We want to lay down, and we want to attack all the hands that come near us. Meow, meow, meow. Oh boy, here we go. There's that bulge again.
I just get tickled at the feet coming up in the air. A minute ago she had all 4 of them up. You could see them.
Yep, she'll do that. Oh boy, the dreaded bulge in the bed.
Come on, move it.
Where you going, Mal? Oh, now we're under here. We attacked the bed. We attacked the bed. We did good. Meow, meow,